It's always a pleasure to unbox your future test bike, and for this one over here, it's one of my favorite because it's a sport bike. It's a BMW S1000RR, one of the most anticipated super bikes of the moment. I got to see it at the Milan show. I got to test it a bit at the Estoril launch, and now I get to unveil it, unbox it as a test unit, and I will get to ride it a few days from now on. But first of all, I have to remove it from this crate and check out every bit and bob over here. I have to start with this cover over here, and I'm already starting to see the bike. So this is the M package that I was speaking about. What the saddle over here for the passenger. It's very narrow, it's very nimble. It's a whole different bike in regards of dimensions compared to the previous model. The power output is changed for 2019. Actually, the bike became a lot more useful on track. The power is over there and you can use it, unlike many other super bikes on the market. Because what's the most impressive thing about it is that now you have all the arrangements made by BMW in regards of electronics, and the power, although it's over 200 horsepower, you can always use it. You can flick it from a leg to another very easy. I've seen that already on track, and that's a very impressive thing. I have something over here. We'll have to check everything out, but before that I have to remove it in order for it not to fall on the bike. So this is the M saddle. Check out this M finish over here. So this is what you want to buy. If you have this logo on your saddle, then you're arranged. Everything is over there for you. You have also lightweight battery. You have rear sets that are adjustable, and the creme de la creme, it's the carbon fiber wheels that you get with this package. So let's get over this and start to check out what's in the other bag over here. Superb. I have the user's manual over here, and there's also, this goes underneath the headstock. I have some bolts and nuts that I have to probably fit on the bike. There's also the toolbox inside this bag, the BMW S1000RR. So I think this should be the lower part of the fairing. We'll have to check on the bike. Come here with me, let's check out the bike from here, because it's very narrow. BMW engineers made this tank a lot thinner in the upper area. The whole bike is a bit thinner right now. The position is a bit relaxed because the 333, it's fitted with the handlebars at the same level, and this is very helpful while riding on track because it's not that exhausting for the rider. So this is a very important aspect if you're a superbike rider and you will take this bike for the track. I don't know from where to start. I'll remove the cardboard. Oh, this is the most beautiful part of the new BMW S1000RR, because now it comes with a symmetrical look. Check out those LED headlights over there. It's so aggressive. It's like it comes with a grunt, and she wants to be ridden hard on track. Let's get a glimpse of the whole bike. So the main theme for the new 2019 S1000RR is change. Everything is new. Everything looks different. Everything reacts different. We have a new suspension right now. Also with DDC, dynamic damping control is now provided by Marzocchi. Reacts a lot different than the previous model. You have a new dash, a new TFT dash with a lot of useful information. You can adjust a lot of things to the menu. You have a new joystick on the on the left hand right now. The brakes are changed. It's also a Nissin brake pump, but the calipers are provided by Hayes right now. No more Brembos on this bike. The engine, it's a bit narrower. It's moved by 3 millimeters to the left side, so it's perfectly centered with the center of the bike, and this makes it very, very flickable and very easy to ride. It's Euro 5 compliant right now, but this exhaust has a very low note with a lot of bass, a lot of grunt, so it's a super bike by all means. This swing arm, it's changed. It looks a lot like the one on the HP4 race, which was launched a few years ago. It's like the Superbike swing arms. It's leaned towards the ground right now. A lot of clearance to play with the geometry of the bike right now. You have some adjustments that can be made. You have this tail frame, which is aluminum beam. It's a trellis. It looks different from the previous model. And one of the cool features that everybody was asking us about is the new lighting system that BMW has right now. The brake lights are inside the turn lights, so I will show you in a few minutes, but this is very cool. And here we have it, the key. So we can start the bike in a few moments. I will like to check everything out. This is the second key of the bike. All the electronic system on this bike have been refined for this year. We have new adjustments, like you can adjust the wheelie control in 3 stages. It's a lot more refined in regards of electronics. The traction control is different. The blipper reacts different. You don't have that feeling that the bike shifted. Now it's very smooth, everything reacts natural. So it's a very easy to ride bike right now. What do we have to do next is check if the fluids are inside the engine, and then plug the battery, the positive and negative, in order to play with the dash a bit, and afterwards we can start it. Found the battery bolts, and now I will plug it, positive and negative over here. I will use the key from inside the toolbox. One of my favorite jobs to do. Now for the easy part, we'll give it a go. Let's turn the key on, and the bike is coming to life. So we have this new dash for 2019 with a lot of information. Tank reserve level reached. Okay, so it doesn't have any gasoline inside. The good thing about this new bike is that it has new riding modes. You have rain, road, dynamic, and race, and you can switch it between race 1, 2, and 3, which you can personalize for your own taste. You have a lean angle, you have the maximum revolution over here, braking, dynamic damping control. So everything is over there. It's looking very, very nice. I like it a lot. And I also have heated grips and cruise control even on this bike, which is very helpful if you choose to buy this bike only for street use. This is a very cool feature of the BMW's super bike. Check out the daylights. They are very mean looking, very aggressive. I like it a lot. I was telling you a bit earlier about the new stoplights, which are integrated in the turn light. So let's go and check it out, because it's a very cool feature. Come over here. So here you have it. This is the position light, and also brake light. Position, brake. This is a feature to die for. I like it a lot. And when you switch the turn lights on, it starts blipping like this. Road legal, everything is safe, but it looks incredible. Pretty low on gasoline. Hopefully it will start. I will try and give it a go right now in order to hear the grunt of the engine, and afterwards in a few days I can go out with it and do a thorough review of the new BMW S1000RR. This engine sounds incredible. I like it a lot, and now I can't wait to get it out on the road and test it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to check out in a few weeks from now on the road test with this BMW S1000RR.